Lavanya, first number is what?
24.
What do you call this symbol?
Divided by
What do you call this number?
6.
Now you, which table you say?
6 table.
Say the 6 table.
6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24.
Already here 24 and 6 numbers are here. Which number write here in the blank?
4.
Write in the blank 4. Jashwant, first number is what?
72.
What do you call that symbol?
Divided by
Second number is what?
9.
Now which table you say?
9.
Say the 9 table.
9 zeros are 0. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 9. 3 are 27. 9 fours are 6. 9 fives are 44. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72.
Which number write in the blank?
8.
8 write in the blank. Parvini, come and do this summa. Okay, good Parvini.